Okay, so let's just go over this API3 short first. We had this set up with this previous range, but really looking at our monthly imbalances over here. So we broke out a balance on this monthly volume profile, cleared the previous month value area high, right? So there was some contention right here around 2.885. It stayed there for a little while. Unfortunately, coming right into the volume point of control all the way over here. Okay, and we can notate that again one more time with our line. And so that's where it says currently. Could get back above that. Stop loss is at 305. Um, let's look at people's right quick. We have to go to Binance because it's got older history than Bybit. Yeah, I found this is pretty cool. All right, so if we slap on the imbalances right here, so it's gonna be hard for you guys to see. I want you to see this because when I zoom in, it's gonna get rid of this. Okay, so watch. See, when I zoom in, it gets rid of that. These are a ton of cells all the way from over here at this high, okay? Selling imbalances. Basically, price came through all those except for, it took the high except for that last chunk up at the very top. And I saw a price come down and I waited for just a 30-minute and closed below it. And so I opened. Stop loss is above that high. I think it's at 735. Yeah. But, and so lastly, let's talk about EDU, I guess. Let's take a look at EDU. We've had this setup plan for a minute now on the Bitcoin chart, but let's just take a look at it on the monthly and weekly imbalances and see what we have. I haven't even looked at this yet for EDU. Here's the, we're really waiting for a break above. It just seems like it doesn't, that's crazy. We're, we're wanting the Bitcoin pair to go to the 236, the 66 right here, where there's a nice bunch of resistance. I still think it'll get there. Let's take a look at volume profile wise. Oh, look at that. Dang, I didn't even see this. Okay, so previous month by area low. On the monthly. Now it's hit its value area high. And look, it just came back and back tested this. And it's fallen again the last 4 hours. Let's look at the weekly. Laggy. By the way, and if we reduce it, let's go lower tick size so we can see what happened here. It's lagging. Okay, so not a whole lot of anything that happened. We got up here. Some selling imbalances happen right here. Some more buying imbalances, but ultimately at the highs right here on this 4-hour candle, selling imbalances at the very tops of it. So yeah. It's lagging. Yeah, this for my Mac, it already have this would already be done. Okay, looks like we'll have to turn the imbalances off because yeah. Volume profiles. Look to your left, guys. Look to your left. So if anything can be said about just like a way of how I look at it is okay, so these striated lines, that's about your high and low. Okay. I have the volume point of controls. It's marching and solid. So like see how on EDUU on the weekly it's above it's out of balance. It's broke above its area high for the week. Okay. But looking at the monthly, like I said, the higher the time frame, the stronger it's going to be. But you can see in the monthly, we had this previous month, two previous months, value area low right here. That acted as a good bit of, resistance right here. But ultimately, this is being controlled by the Bitcoin pair right now. This is the Bitcoin pair, and it said it's 618 right there. High to the low, 618. Holding it down for now. So yeah.